Well, I figured we'd do a somewhat unconventional video as I am still kind of testing out this camera. So I have here an IBM Correcting Selectric 3 that I just finished working on. I noticed as I was getting ready to finalize everything that I have this piece here. This is the little lever thingy that pops out the bail roller. So since that's completely broken off, I'm actually going to have to replace this entire left arm bracket. But this entire machine has been completely cleaned, fully overhauled, did a few repairs on the return mechanism because that wasn't working. Everything is good now, and I'm going to need to source a new paper rest for that. But we power it on, everything works. We got our light indicators, which I love, on the front of this machine. And what I really wanted to go through with this video is the type element in particular. So this is a Correcting Selectric 3, as I mentioned, which takes a 96 character ANSI type element. We have a very modern kind of keyboard here with these beautiful textured keycaps, much like a modern PC. And in fact, when this machine was in production, some of IBM's personal computers are becoming very popular, like the 5150, which was shipped with the IBM Model M, which is a fabulous mechanical keyboard that I love. But yeah, we have your standard ANSI return key. Very wonderful machine. This is a slightly earlier version that takes the Selectric 2 cartridge still instead of the Bicycle cartridge. The Bicycle cartridge integrates the ribbon lift mechanism into the actual cartridge, which I think is a terrible thing to do. So very lucky that this one still takes the number 2 cartridge. Now unfortunately this machine was redone for a customer who's going to be buying it, so it's not for sale, but I do want to use it to demonstrate this very rare type element. This is a 96 character sunshine element. The typeface is script, and they're very identifiable by their bright yellow tops. So we're going to open this up and put it in the machine. Of course, getting these elements out is easy. We're just going to lift up the lever and gently take it off. This is letter Gothic. I'll stick that here. Working in the garage today. And let's just put that on. This is one of the last typewriters that I'll be dealing with before migrating into the new workspace. So yeah, Sunshine Script is essentially a basic IBM script type element with one special feature. I should have brought my tripod because now I have to like finagle things in a complicated manner. Anyway, let's just get this piece of paper in there, just like that. Yeah, you see we have to go here now because that lever is broken off. I will fix that momentarily. But for the sake of the video, let's just roll with what we got. So, normal script element. Can I lower the exposure? Okay. My one-handed typing skills. So this thing that makes this special, the sunshine aspect, is instead of typing fractions like a normal element, you will type a fraction and notice that it puts 1/2 of a smiley face. And indeed, that is the reason I love these sunshine elements so much, is because you can type this wonderful smiley face as many times as you want. It adds an air of happiness to your correspondence. So basically a normal script element, which you can get on my website. I do sell the IBM elements. I have script in both the 88 character layout as well as the 96 character layout. So if you have the Selectric 1, Selectric 2, the Selectric 3, or the personal Selectric, you can get a script element. I only have one Sunshine script and I'm keeping it for myself because I'm selfish that way. But yeah, let's just do a quick sample. I'm not very fast typing one-handed, but I will try my best. Oops, I messed up. Yeah, and I do love these machines. I love how crisp carbon prints. The IBM Selectric has got to be probably the best general purpose typewriter ever. It's still very much analog, so you don't have to worry about any programming features on the machine. There's no settings, anything to worry about like that. It's just a pure typewriter with the feel of a wonderful mechanical keyboard. So if you're somebody who loves a light touch to the keys, these are very light, and the tactile feedback is magnificent. One of the best. And yeah, I love the keys on the Selectric 3. I don't own one myself because they're very big. In fact, let's see if we can get this square up here. Yeah, they're about 2 feet across knob to knob, which is quite a beast in the workspace. On your desk, it takes up a lot of room. So I do intend to list a personal Selectric for sale, which is several inches shorter than this machine. Oh, there's a bee in the workshop. Hi. Wonder what it's looking for. Buddy, there's no flowers in here. Can you land on my hands? No? Okay, it's going away. What? It's foul. There's balloons. It likes the balloons, I guess. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, personal Selectric, a lot smaller. Wonderful machine. They do take the bicycle cartridges, though, which is a pain in the ass. But I believe Bill Rhoda at Philly Typewriter will be releasing an adapter system for the Selectric 2 cartridges, so they fit in the later models, which would be fantastic. But yeah, if you're also looking for a smaller Selectric, I do recommend the 7 series, the original IBM Selectric 1s. Those are a wonderful small size, but they don't have the correcting feature on there, which is a bummer, but I don't really find myself using it too much. So yeah, I'll get the rest of this machine finished up, and maybe like one more speed typing test on this. Okay, let's put this page in sideways so I have more typing room. There we go. Okay. Oops. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Made a few typos, but you know what? That's okay.